Hi, I'm Mike from 1A Auto. We've been selling auto parts for over 30 years.
Hi everyone, Sue here from 1A Auto, and today we have our 2013 Toyota Camry in the shop, and I'm going to show you how to replace the main control window switch. If you need this part or any other part for your car, click on the link below and head on over to 1aauto.com. So I take a plastic body tool and I push and just undo the clips, lift right up on it. Disconnect the actual connector. So once you disconnect the front connector, turn it so you have a good view of it. Now this is a sliding lock. So you're going to push in on this tab and then try to push up on this housing. It's kind of cumbersome to do. So I'm going to use a small screwdriver. Push in on that tab, slide this up. There we go. So slide that up and then the actual connector comes out. So you can see how it works. It's got a sliding lock on it. Now we have the main bezel with the window switch in it. So I'm going to take a Phillips and I'm going to take the 3 mounting screws out. And there is the main switch away from the bezel. So we'll put this. To install it, we'll just reverse procedure. Take your bezel, locate it the way it mounts. Line up your 3 screws. Now to install it, we're just going to reverse procedure on that. I'll connect this end first, line that up, bring it down, and then the housing part that slides, slide down in and lock. The lock control and the mirror control. Line it up and just snap it down.
Thanks for watching. Visit us at 1aauto.com for quality auto parts, fast and free shipping, and the best customer service in the industry.